Hey everyone, so here is Deco, my 3 Xmas messages app. So let's just go through it and see how it works and all of that. So basically, this is a similar app to NGL, you can create your own Christmas tree here, share your link with friends, and then let your friends decorate your tree. And by decorating, friends send in messages to your tree and also send in messages to you. So you can just tap open it up. And yes, I've said it's similar to NGL, which is like Not Gonna Lie app, which is the app for anonymous messages. It also has like a similar design. So here I just create my tree, copy link to share, and then I can also share link with screenshot. So then yeah, here is. Then I can just go and visit this link. And this is how you can add this link to your Instagram or just share it on Instagram stories and then just tap start decorating. So imagine that someone else can just add this message to you, and then you can just write the name and then you can just write decorate, and then you will see that I'm getting a new message from someone. So yeah, that's basically the process. And then here, if you just refresh the app, you will see Joe, and then then the app, you can see the messages. But for some reason, sometimes you can see those. But yeah, that's basically the idea. Then if you have settings, you just have here your settings. You can delete your account. There are some FAQs. Sign up, login, deleting the message attached to a tree, modifying tree settings. So you can just see all of these issues here. And then you can make the tree public or private. So yeah, that's basically the idea. Here, this app was originally created for Christmas, but you can use it all the time.